Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square in-app payments on mobile apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Square in-app payments on your mobile app, start by creating a Square account if you don't have one already. Visit the Square developer website. Log in to your Square account. Navigate to the developer dashboard. Create a new application. Make sure to choose the mobile platform you are targeting, either iOS or Android. Obtain your application credentials, including your application ID and access token. Next, set up your development environment. For iOS applications, ensure you have Xcode installed and updated. For Android applications, install Android Studio. Now, add the Square in-app payments SDK to your project. For iOS, use CocoaPods to integrate the SDK by adding the pod to your pod file. For Android, update your build.gradle file to include the necessary dependencies. After adding the SDK, install the required libraries by running the appropriate commands. Next, configure the payment options in your app. Initialize the Square SDK with your application ID. Set up the payment processing configuration. Create your checkout flow in the app. Ensure that your app has the necessary permissions for payment processing. Test your implementation in a development environment. Use Square's test cards to simulate transactions. Verify that your payment flow works as expected. Once testing is complete, prepare for deployment. Optimize your app to ensure a smooth user experience during checkout. Finally, publish your app to the App Store or Google Play Store. Monitor transactions and user feedback after launch to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.